it's Taryn and welcome back to the Chic Soul YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to build a fall capsule wardrobe. If you're not familiar, a capsule wardrobe really just refers to being a minimalist or really if you're balling on a budget. So I'm going to show you how to build an entire fall wardrobe with just a few pieces. These items will get you through the entire season, and it really is just helpful, like I mentioned, if you are looking to save money or even looking to save space in your closet. You can really get a lot out of just a few pieces, and today I'm going to show you how. So let's get into it. I feel like it's easiest to start at the starting point. So let me show you the most basic of the basics that you can own and that you can build from for that capsule wardrobe. So this top, for example, this is our Comfy Travels top. Does phenomenal year-round for styling and layering and all that stuff. It's black. I think that you need to stick to those basic colors. So black, gray, cream. So we also have this maxi dress. I think that you could do so much with. I am going to show you, so no worries, but a good basic solid color maxi dress will get you so far in the cooler weather months. And then we have this really pretty cream tank top. This is a phenomenal styling piece. Again, layer it so many different ways. And then we have this gray turtleneck. I think that these style tops, especially again, like this basic color you'll hear me say a lot, is really, really great for just building your wardrobe around it. So now that you've sort of gotten the basic of the basics, let me show you how I can take these pieces and sort of elevate them for different looks. So first basic I want to pull is this black top. I think that this, like I mentioned, any color really, but that black, gray, white, or cream would be really, really great. So I'm gonna grab this. And then I've got a stack of bottoms here. So let's start with maybe these like medium wash denim jeans. Yeah, I think these would be really, really great. So again, we have our basic, we're pairing it with the jeans. And then from my rack here, I think the best option to pull would probably be, you know me, like animal print is something that I love to do. So I'm gonna pull this cardigan. Such an easy look. Again, we're building it around a basic, and I think that you could absolutely do maybe just the black booties that I'm wearing now. You could throw on the black hat if you're a hat kind of person. I think would be really, really cute. But this is the first look that you can pull just with this black top, and I think it's pretty easy to style. To think of a cardigan with the basic top is really, really easy. So the next look that I want to do, we're going to stick with this top, and I think I'm going to stick with these jeans because this denim jacket behind me. So denim on denim is such a big thing. It's been a big thing in the past, sort of went out of style, but I think it's like such a great way to do basics, and you look really, really put together too. So I think throwing this denim jacket over your basic top, you've got your denim like medium wash jeans. These are rolled on the bottom, so that tells me that these are perfect for white sneakers. White sneakers are also something that can get you through so many different looks, but that's also just another look with this basic black top. So let's move on from the jeans because I know not everyone wants to wear jeans all the time. So I spot these like faux leather leggings. And who doesn't live for like a like all black look? I'm just gonna sit these down. So how we're gonna do this one, we're doing black on black all the way. I think that these with, again, your basic black top, and then I think maybe like a pop of color at the bottom would be pretty. You could absolutely do the black booties like I'm wearing now, but these snakeskin print ones down here are just so pretty and so fun and sort of break up that look a little bit. Something fun, that pop of color on your feet. So that's an entire look in itself. I do think also the black hat would be really, really chic with this like black on black look. So you've got 3 outfits already with just this one black basic top. And I think that if maybe you wanted to elevate this black on black look, you could absolutely throw on a pop of color. I'm gonna pull this blazer. This color is such like a fall essentials color, and I think would look really, really great with this whole set. So there you go, 4 looks with one basic top, and that's how you kind of start to build that capsule wardrobe. So I've shown you these basics and how you can build around them, but you may be thinking, great, Taryn, I'm gonna get the basics, but you've shown us these extra pieces, like, what do I need? Basically tell me what I need to add to my wardrobe. So now I'm gonna show you 4 really elevated layering pieces and explain why I think that you need them. So first things first is this denim jacket. I mentioned the denim on denim with your basic TN. I think that's still a phenomenal and really easy way to do that denim on denim, but really denim jackets can go with so many things. I mean, imagine it with the maxi dress. You could also do it over the turtleneck, just depending on weather-wise, what the temperature is outside. You can even throw it over the cream tank top. So there's so many different ways that a denim jacket can be styled for fall to really elevate your look. So that one, keep in mind, we love a good denim jacket. Also, you saw me pull this printed cardigan. I think that a printed cardigan or some sort of pop-up color cardigan is a really great way, again, to elevate a look. So I've shown you once again with the black tee, you could absolutely throw this cardigan over the maxi dress, would be really pretty. You're gonna hear me say this over and over again, that these layering pieces really do go with the basics. So I think that animal print is for me, as I mentioned. I love a good animal print cardigan, but if that's not your thing, some sort of printed cardigan or a pop of color, I think in a cardigan is what you really need to add to your wardrobe to help you really elevate those basics and make it look a little bit more put together. So this one is a must. Now I want to talk about the blazer. Again, I mentioned earlier that this color is such a fall essentials color, and I agree with that 1000%. So a blazer is a really great way to really just dress up a look. If you need to make it more office wear appropriate, then this is the way to do it. Also, I think of blazers like this for like a really fun girls' night out. Like the black on black outfit with this would be really, really fun to wear out. So some sort of blazer with a little bit of structure to it is a really great way to elevate those basics, and especially if you have like this really pretty fall color, then that's really just going to make your fall wardrobe even more fun and seasonal. So I think a good blazer in a really pretty nice color is essential. And then we have a vest. I think that a puffer vest, like we have a lot of these right now. People really love these and they go really, really well with so many different things. So imagine it over, you've got your basic gray turtleneck, could be nice. I've even seen people throw on the vest with like a maxi dress and some booties, and not the maxi dress in the front would be really, really pretty. And I picked this green color because obviously it's a seasonal fall type color, and this could do basics, again, like I mentioned with the maxi dress, or maybe this gray turtleneck. But also I've seen people throw a good vest over like activewear and sort of turn it into everyday wear. So I think that something like this, a vest with a really pretty fall color, is also an essential layering piece, something to just really elevate your fall capsule wardrobe and really make it into something more than just basics. Again, like you've got the pop of color and the printed cardigan, so you've got your colors to really bring everything together. So we've done our basics, we've also done our layering pieces. So now I want to talk about elevated basics. And these are pieces that you can add to your wardrobe that just have a little bit more jazz to them, if you will. So for example, I am wearing an elevated basic black dress. It's just got a really great cut to it. It has pockets, the length is nice. It's actually long sleeves under here. And then I've thrown on a layering piece. So as I mentioned, the printed cardigan is something great, a layering piece to add to your wardrobe. While it's not animal print, it's still a printed, that pop of color over my elevated basics. So you're looking at it first and foremost, an example of how you can put that capsule wardrobe together. But again, I do want to talk about a couple of elevated basics. So for starters, let's talk about this. It's a beautiful cable knit, like chunky sweater. I love that it rolls over at the top, that turtleneck style. It's just a very like chic, an expensive feeling way to elevate your basic wardrobe. So you could do this with Again, you have the like faux leather leggings. You can do it with jeans. You could probably even throw it over this maxi dress and knot it in the front, like something really, really basic, but it's just sort of an elevated basic because it's got a little bit more fanciness to it. So this one could be really, really great all the way around to add to your wardrobe if you are looking for those types of pieces. And then this one, I can't not mention this one. It's like a cold shoulder white sweater, beautiful color. This is just, you know, a fancier way to do a basic. I also think that this one would be really pretty with that green vest, show a little bit of shoulder, and then really you could do any bottoms with it. But this is how you sort of build on that basic idea of a wardrobe with these elevated pieces and these pops of color with your layering pieces. And then we have a really great waffle knit black top. It's a baby doll style. I love the buttons down the front. Again, this is just an elevated way to do a basic. I think that the long sleeve is really nice. The style of it, I know a lot of y'all will really, really love. You can do so many different bottoms with this, but just the idea of this like cute, not quite basic, but also a basic color and a really great style that a lot of y'all I think would really, really like. So you've got the idea of the basic, we have the layering pieces and the elevated basics, and really it's just now about putting it into action and building your wardrobe. So now let's talk about the other pieces in this set that we haven't really mentioned yet. So I want to talk about bottoms. You see some sitting here. We've talked about these faux leather or leather pleather leggings. I think that's an absolute staple that you need. And then other than that, I think you're fine with a pair of dark wash skinny jeans, a pair of medium wash skinny jeans, and then a pair of black skinny jeans. I think that those bottoms here will get you through the entire season. So now let's talk about these accessories, these shoes over here. Black booties like I'm wearing, 1000%. These will get you so far for the fall season. I think a great pair of neutral sneakers. You know I'm going with white all the way, but I have seen some really great like tan sneakers if white, maybe that pop of color at the bottom of your outfit is not your thing. So keep that in mind, neutral sneakers. These snakeskin printed booties, I don't think you necessarily have to have the snakeskin print, but some sort of print at the bottom just to give you a little bit something extra, jazz up your outfit just a little bit. And then these tan or neutral colored heels down here. If these types of heels with the open toe is not your thing, I think brown or tan booties would be perfect as well. And then two hats, black and tan, and you are set to go. Everything that you are looking at here is your entire fall wardrobe. Honestly, y'all, the amount of outfits that you can put together with just these basics is endless. And so I think that this will set you up for the entire fall season. All right, y'all, I hope that you feel inspired after watching this video, and really, I hope that you find some inspiration to build your fall capsule wardrobe. Everything that you just saw included on the website. Also, I have a fun discount code for you. It is YouTube15. That will save you 15% off website-wide, not just the items you saw here today, but I really do hope that you find some of these pieces that you really love and add them to your collection, and really do work towards building that capsule wardrobe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.